Hello, I'm Steve Locke with Locke Buildings. Today we're going to learn how to install plywood on a roof. This process can be done with the roof in the air or on the ground. We prefer to install it on the ground. Our rule of thumb is anytime you could do something on the ground, it's easier. The first step is mark the bottom purlin and the top purlin at 4 feet and 1/4. You'll put a chalk line from the top purlin to the bottom purlin. This line will be where you line up your first row of plywood. Next, you'll want to run a string at the center of the bottom purlin from end of building to end of building. This will maintain that your plywood stays in a straight line. Next, you'll install your first piece of plywood. Install the plywood vertical. The 8-foot side is to go from the bottom to the peak. Keep the side of the plywood on the chalk line. It's critical to gap the plywood at 1/8 of an inch on all 4 sides. Maintaining the bottom string line is very important as well. You may have to push or pull the purlin to maintain that it's at the center of the purlin. Once the main body is completely sheeted and nailed off, we're ready to raise the roof. After the roof is raised, you'll finish installing the plywood around the perimeter. We're not going to go into detail right now about raising the roof, but check out that video next. If you have any questions or would like to buy a kit, visit our website.